So now moving on to question number 26, let's read it first. A study published by Rice University geoscientist Ming Tang in 2019 offers a new explanation for the origin of Earth's blank structures called arcs, towering ridges that form when a dense oceanic plate subducts under a less dense continental plate, melts in the mantle below, and then rises and bursts through the continental crust above. Which choice completes the text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English? So, what do you think is the answer? If you said B, congratulations, that's the correct one. This is the best answer. The convention being tested is punctuation used between the main clause and supplementary phrase. Main clause and the supplementary phrase. In this choice, a colon is correctly used to mark the boundary between the main clause. The main clause is a study up till continents, which is over here, up till continents, and the supplementary phrase starts from geological and up till above, and to introduce the following explanation of the origin of Earth's continents. So first, the study published offers a new explanation for the origin of the Earth's continents, and then with the colon, after the colon, the explanation is given for that, which is geological structures called arcs, towering ridges from where the dense oceanic plate and other things. Choice A is incorrect because it fails to mark the boundary between the main clause, that means a study up till continents, and the supplementary phrase, that is from geological to the crust above, as you know, with appropriate punctuation. There is nothing between continents and geological to separate it, so that we cannot accept. C is also incorrect because a semicolon cannot be used in this way. The difference between choice B and C is that in B we have a colon and in C we have a semicolon. So that is the difference actually. A semicolon is conventionally used to join two main clauses, whereas a colon is conventionally used to introduce an element that explains or amplifies the information in the preceding clause, making it the better choice in this context. So since after the colon we have to give an explanation, after a colon, conventionally we use it to introduce an element that explains or amplifies. In this case, we are explaining and amplifying the previous information in the previous clause. So that's why we have to use colon, whereas semicolon we are using only if we are joining two main clauses. So that is not the situation in this case. We are not joining two clauses. So we cannot use semicolon, we have to use colon because we are giving explanation for the origin of the Earth's continents. Okay. Then choice D, it is incorrect because it results in a rhetorically unacceptable sentence fragment beginning with geological. So they stopped it and then you are going to geological, but we are trying to give explanation for the previous thing, so we have to use colon, not a period. So I hope that's clear.